About how can you fix this problem on your Free Fire Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for a Free Fire Max app, or just click here on search, then here at Free Fire Max app is going to show for you like this here. You click on it, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Click on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click it on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Free Fire Max, it's up, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking